Hey, what's up XRP holders? So what's the new target of XRP? Why XRP fails down in upcoming days? They going up or they fails down more? What's my prediction? What's my opinion to upcoming days? Please sell it or hold it or buy everything in this video. Going very special for every holder of XRP. So let's get start. Ripple price prediction, my friend. But before I get started, I request you to please subscribe our YouTube channel because this is very important for everyone. If you just click the subscribe button, then I am updating you every time. Okay, so please click the subscribe button. Okay, make sure this time, if you can see here, my friend, this time you can see here the last 7 days charts is already open and they are completely fails down. You can see here this time the change occur minus 26.85% fails down. Oh my goodness, very badly fails down. First of all, my friends, I do a prediction and then after at this point we take a decision to this is selling time or holding time. Okay friend, so let's see. First of all, if I draw, my friend, a line, this time you can see here two lines. I draw it already, and this time you can see here this is the circulation and then fails down and the circulation. You can see here jump and fails. You can see here jump and fails. You can see here this circulation continuously, but if you can see here this time they fails down completely. They fails down, my friend, completely fails down. Why they fails down? This is one big reason I tell you, my friend. If you know about the crypto market, and those days every coin especially fails down, my friends, because this is the reason to people starting selling. Exactly, this time you can see here the price in the last 7 days 1.84 US dollar, but this price come to very low price, my friends, very badly fails down. This time, my friends, every crypto coin and a circulation. You can see here I already do my previous video to every crypto coin going and a circulation, but this time also they XRP also going and circulation. You can see here this time they after a fails they take immediately they jump, my friends. You can see here after a fails they take a jump. So this means to this time they fails down. I hope in upcoming days they moving up. So this is the jump time. Absolutely, this is jump time, my friends, is coming soon. So good time is coming soon. First of all, I tell you to please hold it. Don't sell it. My opinion is that true, or don't sell it. Hold it and wait for the end of this month. Okay, I hope they give you very good profit. Okay, what's my prediction? My prediction is already I tell you, my friends, to in upcoming days they're going up. Let's see the last 1 hour chart towards going on in the last 1 hour, my friend. This time, if you can see here, my friend, in the last 1 hour, yes, I am right. You can see here, my friend, after a very bad falls, you can see here they're taking jumps very slowly, my friend. This time you can see here the price come to, oh my goodness, 1.84 price to come to 1.35 US dollar. Very badly they fails down, my friend, and everyone can lost an XRP. Exactly, my friend. This time you can see here change occur minus 2.61%, but I hope they are going in the positive because this time they are moving up. Exactly, our target is very high, my friend. Our target is 2 US dollar. I hope they hit it just in a few days, my friends. Please wait for a good time. Don't sell it. Don't do this mistake. Okay, and the target is 2 US dollar. I hope they hit it. If they hit it, they make you millionaire. They give you very good profit. Thanks for watching, friends. Please like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel. Keep touch with us. I guide you every time. Please touch with us. Okay, so thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.